My dear students, my dear scholars, research is always looking for new ideas. And here we are dealing in management discipline, how the social systems are interacting with technical systems. How the mathematical and rational approach, a linear programming approach, y affecting x, okay, with the feedback control, x will give a feedback to y, but still, it's a linear approach. How this approach can be used by social systems. इसलिए कि social systems, economics think social systems are also rational systems, logical systems. 2 plus 2 will always be 4. That's an economic decision. Economic theories are all rationality-based theories. But here we are dealing with social systems in business, in management. और मुझे ये कहना दीजिए कि 2017 का नोबेल प्राइज जो जिस इकोनॉमिक्स के प्रोफेसर को यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ शिकागो में दिया गया, उसकी थ्योरी ये कहती है कि irrational decisions are more important in the organizations than rational decisions. तो वक्त आ गया है ना. लेकिन here we are thinking that rational thinking, which is on the basis of certain information. In other words, manager is making a decision. And we assume, we hypothesize, we rationalize that manager have all the information. He has complete information. He has the ideal information. ये हमारी assumption है. और इकोनॉमिक्स की assumption भी यही है. That's why in economics you make rationalistic decisions. अब तो इकोनॉमिक्स में भी irrational Nobel Prize आ चुका है. लेकिन anyhow, we are talking about the beginning of the 21st century. लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट जो यहाँ इमर्ज हो रहा है, और ख़ास तौर पर प्रोफेसर ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, and he was also professor of computer science at Carnegie Mellon University, Professor Simon, नाम सुना होगा आपने. कम्युनिकेशन थ्योरी के अंदर भी उसकी बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन है. He came up with the concept of bounded rationality. उसने कहा कि नहीं, ये assumption ठीक नहीं है कि मैनेजर के पास सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मौजूद है to make a decision, a better decision for the organization. He has limited information. He is bounded by certain factors. So a human factor must be considered where complete access to information is not possible. And when complete access to information is not possible, you cannot make a rational decision. इसलिए कि information ही incomplete है ना, जिसको उसने नाम दिया bounded rationality. Rationality is not open, it is bounded. इसलिए कि information ideal नहीं है जो आपके पास है. And this bounded rationality, Simon called, it has a limits on the rationality. Why? Because a manager, a human being, is unable to gather all the information all the time and to understand all the data which is available to him in the best way possible. So he came up with the concept of satisficing. Okay, you should make a decision because manager should make a decision. Indecision is no good. So satisficing means that we make decisions which are adequate for the time and place when the decision is being made. कल को ये decision change भी हो सकता है. So there is a flexibility in decision making. At this point in time, at this place, This information was available, so decision was made. Although we are aiming for the ideal decision, but ideal decision cannot be reached because we don't have. जिसको कहते हैं ना कि दीवार के परे क्या है, हमें तो नहीं मालूम. मार्केट ट्रेंड नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर क्या होगा? You can predict, but that prediction could be wrong. So these are the issues which, according to Simon, organizations are facing. And organizations are also a mechanism of information processing. So in other words, अब मैं कहने लगा हूं कि organization is an information processing machine. अच्छा, organization की चार दीवारी या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मशीन जो है, मैकेनिकल मशीन, असेंबली लाइन वाली मशीन, प्रोडक्शन लाइन वाली मशीन, उनकी बात नहीं हो रही. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जो मैनेजर्स हैं. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज एन इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग मशीन एंड अ डिसीजन मेकिंग फैक्ट्री, thereby acting as a way to deal with the bounded rationality of the individuals. आपको 100% एब्सोल्यूट इंफॉर्मेशन हो नहीं सकती. बिलीफ वेस्ट का ये है. वैसे तो मुस्लिम बिलीफ तो ये हो सकता है ना कि इंसान के पास तो इंफॉर्मेशन 100% है ही नहीं. इवन वेस्ट के अंदर भी यही कॉन्सेप्ट है बाउंडेड रैशनैलिटी का. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द लिमिटेड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मनी, about the utilization of money, about material, at a given time and a given place, you make a decision which is good for that time and that place. And next time, it can be changed. Thank you.